Hi guys, Captain Nick here once again with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. Behind me right now we have an all-new Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. Got a little bit different of a color scheme. I like it. We've got the white and horizon gel coat, and also you're gonna notice got some extra speakers up top. The perfect boat for your summertime fun. Let's hop on board and let's get this party started. Back here we've got the most popular power package on this boat. That's an all-new Mercury V8 Verado 300 horsepower engine. Nice white color too. She performs just as good as she looks, let me tell you. Back here we have the sun pad. You're gonna notice that this boat is optioned out with the all-new stone interior. I remember when the stone interior just came out in 2020, something a little bit different, and it has been a huge hit because it hides dirt nice, and most importantly in Florida, it's cool to the touch, even in the summertime. Before we make our way inside, you notice that we did option this boat out with some sea deck here on the swim platform and walkway. Give you some nice traction on your feet, and it's nice and soft too. Moving in here, with this beautiful stone upholstery as we talked about before, you notice that we're gonna have infinity woven vinyl carpet on the deck that's gonna match really nice. Close your eyes and picture this right now. You're pulling your wakeboarders, it is a perfect summer day. You're back there, you're saying, man, this is the best time I've ever had. It's almost like there's no pandemic going on in the world, and your favorite Florida Georgia Line song comes on the radio, and you've got two bullet speakers blasting music towards your wake. That's what it's all about, people. Up here at the Helm Station, this is obviously where all the magic's gonna happen. To kind of walk you through what we did here with the helm on this boat, there's a standard 7 or even 9-inch Simrad dash. This one's equipped with a 12, so we got a fully digital dash, multi-function unit. I'm a huge fan of Simrad, especially with how easy it is to operate. So moving from our Simrad unit down here, we've got our Fusion head unit. Of course, is Bluetooth capable, crank those tunes like we talked about before. Moving over here, got the co-captain's chair, which is gonna transform. Sea Ray does such a great job with these seats transforming. Nice bolster right there, see what you're doing. And of course down here, you have your head, which common question is, man, is the head actually something that you would use, or are you gonna feel cramped? Well, let me show you, I'm a grown man. Not gonna feel cramped at all, as a matter of fact. Follow me up on the bow here, save the best for last. Got plenty of leg room up here, really can lounge out and enjoy yourselves on that perfect summer day. Once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. This is a 270 SDX outboard by Sea Ray. I'm fired up for summertime, and you should be too. Come on in, let's get you out on the water.